right, let's get back to weather here in our neck of the woods. First Alert Chief Meteorologist Paul Heggen standing by. Okay, we know that there's going to be a few storms headed our way. When's the first one expected to hit?
First one gets here on Wednesday, and that's the one that doesn't look like it's going to be overly impactful. It'll slow down the afternoon and evening commute, but in terms of either heavy rain or really strong winds, that's not a threat with this first one coming in. So we kind of get to ease into the more unsettled pattern before the more unsettled weather, the more impactful weather arrives in time for President's Day weekend. Let's talk about all of it. The weather headlines as we start off the work week. Areas of dense fog redeveloping tonight. Plenty of clouds overhead tomorrow. A little bit of sunshine peeking through, but more clouds and sun tomorrow. And then we see some showers moving in on Wednesday, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. We'll track that on Futurecast in just a second. And still unsettled late this week and just flat out wet weather over President's Day weekend. Any outdoor plans you had, doesn't matter if it's Saturday, Sunday, or Monday, I would rethink those outdoor plans. Looking outside right now, beautiful perspective of downtown San Francisco. No interference in Mother Nature for any evening plans on this Monday. Temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s right now. We are going to drop down as we head through the rest of tonight, and some of that locally dense fog develops. Mostly low to mid 40s by early tomorrow morning, which is fairly close to where we're supposed to be here in the middle of February. Let's take a look at tomorrow's forecast. High temperatures, which are also going to be very close to normal for this time of year, which means a mix of a few upper 50s and a lot of low 60s on the map. 63 degrees in San Jose will be one of the warmer spots. 61 degrees in Livermore, just above average for this time of year, right at 60 degrees in Fremont, just below 60 degrees in San Francisco, and a couple degrees cooler for Half Moon Bay along the coast. Temperatures in the North Bay also getting up to right around 60 degrees, maybe a couple spots falling just a little bit short. But all in all, just what's typical for this time of year. We're actually going to warm up a little bit as the more active weather pattern shapes up later this week. Let's take a look at the first storm system that's going to be moving in. Futurecast will start the clock later tonight, and as we head through the day tomorrow, we're going to see that passing cloud cover overhead, some fog at ground level to begin the day. Once that dissipates, clouds farther up in the atmosphere, definitely filtering out the sunshine. But the moisture is still out to our west by the time the sun goes down tomorrow evening. Maybe a chance of a passing shower for the North Bay tomorrow night into early Wednesday morning, but the bulk of that moisture isn't going to really move in until we get into Wednesday afternoon. First, light showers, and then some moderate to occasionally heavy downpours that are going to be brief. This is not going to be any kind of flooding threat for us, just unsettled weather as we head through Wednesday evening and overnight. That activity winding down as we head into early Thursday morning, but a few leftover showers are likely as we head through the rest of Thursday. Let's add up the total rainfall. This is a forecast model estimate. None of the forecast models are ever perfect, but they give us a good idea of the overall pattern. And this is going to be a pretty typical winter rain event for us, moving in and out pretty quickly. Less than 1/10 of an inch in some of the rain-shadowed spots down the peninsula and in the Santa Clara Valley, but over a 1/2 inch of rain possible on a widespread basis for the North Bay. The systems that move in over the weekend are going to bring much more rain on a more evenly distributed basis. And our side-by-side forecast models, the American and European models, actually have a lot of overlap with the way they're depicting the arrival of these systems. Some minor timing differences in terms of when the heaviest rain is going to arrive on Saturday, but it does look like waves of heavier rain are going to move through Saturday. Little break in the action to start the day Sunday, but then another batch of heavier rain is going to move in later in the day, and that is going to continue into the President's Day holiday on Monday. So you add up a couple of back-to-back low-end atmospheric rivers, they can have the combined effect of maybe a higher-end atmospheric river in terms of the amount of rain. It does not look like we're going to have as much wind energy associated with these systems, but that's something we'll also monitor as we head through the rest of this week. So another dry day tomorrow, then the first round of rain arrives Wednesday. Some lingering showers Thursday, but Thursday is not going to be a washout. We get a one-day dry break on Friday with still above average temperatures into the low to mid 60s, and then just generally wet weather Saturday and Sunday and again on Monday. It seems like so many of the rain chances this year have coincided with the weekends, and the upcoming holiday weekend, no exception to that pattern.
Yeah, it makes it tough when you got school sports on those weekends.
Your people want to go up to the Sierra and take advantage of the snow up there. It's going to be challenging.
I know. All right, Paul. Thanks so much.